today's video, I'm a little behind. Like your girl, whew, I'm not even gonna fib, I'm a little behind on stuff. So today we are unboxing our Slayglam box for June 2023. They did send this over, so thank you to Slayglam box for sending this over my way. I do have a coupon code, I believe it's Hot Mess, will save you 10% off your first box of Slay. I do have a couple things that I have purchased that I wanted to show you all, and some stuff that was sent over. So anyways, if you guys have picked up my collection with OFRA Cosmetics, thank you so much. I'm so flippin' excited about this, and they actually had it on sale as part of the pink sale that they had going on over the weekend. The sale since has ended, but code Hot Mess will still save you 20% off my Unconditional palette. Oh, do you like my ring? It's from Temu. My earrings, Temu. Necklace, Temu. I'm decked out in Temu. Did I just do a haul? I did. It's coming soon. Anyways, my Unconditional palette, like I said, it's a full base palette, and the reason I don't like to break it down is you literally can use everything everywhere. Like when I say, oh, there's 7 matte eyeshadows and a topper, but you know what? The Bittersweet bronzer, guess what? That works great on your eyes too. Guess what? So does This Is Love. Yeah, the blush, that works on your eyes. Same with This Is From Kentucky, the highlighter, all over. So anywho, and then when it came to my lip duo, you guys, the Inseparable Duo is truly awesome. I have the Hotmess Momma on my lips today, and of course Butterfly Kisses is a lip gloss. This can also be used on your face, your lips, whatever. I love it. So thank you to those of you who have picked it up. I greatly appreciate it. I put my phone and my watch on silent, but like it still goes and I'm like, mom life, right? Okay, and real quick, let me unbox this. How cute is this? Coming from Gerard Cosmetics. They're just the absolute sweetest. They sent over another bottle of Hair AF. You guys know this stuff, like you can't even see my hair anymore unless yeah. Do you see how long my hair is? Oh yeah. You know why? Right here. This is the GC Love Hair AF. It's a homeopathic formula for hair loss. You guys, I'm telling you guys, you want hair growth? You need this. Now, I have never put it on topically. I just do the drops at least 2 times a day. I will put 10 drops, hold it in my mouth for 20 seconds under my tongue. Some people ask what it tastes like. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It is not like the most delicious flavor ever. It's alcohol-based tincture, and it doesn't really burn. It's just, you know, like a tincture. Like very homeopathic tincture. To me, it does not bother me. I enjoy it because I know the benefits that I get for it. So this is not a 1 month supply. This is going to be at least a good 2 to 3 months supply. I don't know if my coupon code Hot Mess is still active. It was getting y'all 30% off. But thank you to Gerard Cosmetics. I love you guys. You guys are freaking amazing, and I will not be without this. Matter of fact, I had just went and visited my bestie a few weeks ago, and we're the same age, and she was like, Rhonda, your hair, like, what are you doing? Yes, I will admit, you guys, I do baby the heck out of my hair. However, the growth of my hair, I mean, I honestly, I have not had my roots done. I'm trying to think. I broke my collarbone July 4th. I'm coming up on a year. I think I've had my roots touched up 1 time, maybe twice in a year. I don't know if this has anything to do with it, but I feel like my grays, like they're there, but they're not as noticeable. My hair is just, and that was something that my best friend noticed, is she's like, your hair just, it's so long and it's so healthy. And I'm like, right here. She's like, I'm ordering it. I'm like, amen, sis. So anyways, thank you to Gerard Cosmetics. Hopefully, maybe the coupon code is active. If not, don't worry, they're having Christmas in July coming up. There may be a sale on that, but I'm telling you guys, the confidence you will get, that's freaking Jen, the owner right there. I mean, look at that. Yeah, you can see the before and afters. I have never been without it. From the day it released, was it in 2021? I honestly, I don't even know how long it's been around. but I have purchased it myself. They have sent it to me. It is amazing. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Another thing I highly recommend is these earrings that I am wearing from Temu. Yes, you will see that video coming soon. All right, so a little information about Slayglam box. Now they are a monthly makeup subscription. They are very makeup heavy, which is really nice. I think it's like $25 a month, but with the coupon code, it takes it down to like $21.50, I think. Now, you all know that my girl Anne has had her palettes in the Slayglam boxes twice already. So, would we like to see around 3? Absolutely. Alright, so let's get into this. Everything is packaged very nicely. Oh my gosh, the first thing I see is this. How flipping cute is this? The Glitter Magic Lip. Isn't that fun? Oh man, I was hoping that it had like a scent to it. There's no scent. It's just like a clear kind of gloss. It has like a little bit of a tint to it. It's cute. It's like a fun little kind of dealio. A fun little lippy is what I meant. It's fun little lippy. Next in here we have Moria, I think, the Supernova Multi-Chrome Gel Liner. Okay, just the packaging alone is really fine. I gotta see this. Ooh. Oh, look at that already. Oh, that is so fun. So I see like a blue, a green, and a yellow maybe. Definitely there's the blue. Hold on, I'm gonna put my flashlight on for this. Okay, so there's like a gold, an orange, shifts to green, shifts to blue. It's definitely a multi-chrome. That's fun. And I feel like if you know, you could always use it as like a little accent on the waterline. Wonder if it would work on the waterline. I don't know, stay tuned. All right, next in here, we've got an Illuminati Cosmetics little quad. I will definitely be gifting this because these are just not my colors. I'll be 100 with y'all. I do like though that it would, I don't know if you can see the blues in that multi-chrome. This multi-chrome I feel like would definitely go well with this. Like I almost feel like you could use this as a base and top some of these on top. That would be really pretty. I'll be 100 with y'all though. I've tried the Illuminati Cosmetics eyeshadows in the past and I really wasn't a big fan of them. But that's just me. Just because I wasn't a fan doesn't mean you're not going to be a fan. You know what I mean? All right, next in here we have the Nile by Rasha B Cosmetics. That was who Anne did a collaboration with. This is the pressed pigment palette. So I already know the Rasha B Cosmetics eyeshadows are great. Oh, okay. So this is nice. So this multi-chrome eyeshadow is going to go great with these. I have got to swatch this. Oh yeah, that is pretty. This is fun. Satin and a shimmer. This Nile shade. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. And it's so funny because I was just saying I'm not into like these blues, but I see it in this palette and I'm like, oh my god. I know that the formula is good for this brand. Where are my wipes? Then this one. I really like this color. That's so not a me color, but like that's actually pretty. So here's the swatches. I mean, honestly, that is such a summer vibe. I like that. That is really pretty. I like this a lot. It's in like your standard type of cardboard packaging as well. Oh my gosh, that liner does not want to come off. Okay, you're gonna take my fake tan with you. All right, next in here we've got a Beauty Creations Sweet Glow. Ooh, it's in like a tin can, kind of like a Too Faced old school. Oh, that's cute. Oh, mine's got like a little gash in it. Interesting. So that's what it looks like. Now, my doohickey was sealed, so I don't know how that happened, but I'm not bothered by it because it was sealed. This is so nice and smooth. Okay, so I wouldn't wear the blue like as a highlighter on me, but you could use it for sure as eyeshadow or something. You could, you know, inner corner it or something. So it's swatched really nice. It's a really cute, fun fun type of palette, and just hoping it smelled like cotton candy. So anyways, that is cute. Honestly, I like this one. I do like the products that are in this month's bag, and if this is your first box, $21.50, I feel like for what we received, not a bad deal. I'm really excited over this palette on its own. I don't know the prices of stuff, and I'm really excited over this multi-chrome pencil. This will be in a giveaway, and I'll probably put this in a giveaway as well because I'm not into those kind of things or those colors, so I say. But you know, I feel like 3 out of 5 is not too shabby, you know what I mean? So if you guys are interested in picking up the Slayglam box for June, I don't know if it's still going to be available. I've had this a couple days, but if it is, you might want to consider picking it up. Maybe give them a follow over on Instagram because she does put some sneak peeks in there. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. I got a couple more things to show you guys. Hold on a second. Okay, so Liquid IV had sent this over, and they came out, it's 3 samples, but if you guys don't know, we love Liquid IV here. Like, my family is obsessed. Ooh, passion fruit, lemon lime, and strawberry. So I've tried passion fruit. I know I like that. Strawberry is one of our go-tos, and lemon lime, I used to not mind it. However, last year when I broke my collarbone, I was severely dehydrated, which was the whole reason why I ended up breaking my collarbone. I passed out. With that being said, I had been drinking lemon lime to try and rehydrate. Not a fan, because yeah. So, anywho, these two, Concord grape is our favorite. Watermelon, strawberry, you can't go wrong. You could probably make a margarita out of that one. Just saying. And then it does have, oh, how cute is this? It's like a little keychain, and you can put your Liquid IV in there. Can I just say, they came out, I noticed, with sugar-free, which I'm so happy about because I know a lot of you all have wanted to pick up Liquid IV using my coupon code Hotmess Momma of 4, which thank you, by the way. But some of you have said like there's too much sugar in there. I just can't. And I did notice they came out with some sugar-free, so I'll pick it up. I'll try it for you guys and let you guys know my thoughts. And then it did come with the water bottle, which these, I'm just gonna say it right now, I should put my coupon code on my kids' thermos, but these fit perfectly in the lunchbox. I don't know if they're available for sale or not, or if it's because of a PR kit. But thank you so much to Liquid IV. My child carries this around all the time, the blue one that we have of this. But Liquid IV, we literally drink it all year round. If you're like me and you drink a ton of water, be careful you're not flushing all your electrolytes out. I've done that before, and I was talking to my naturopath, and I was like, I drink water all the time, and he was like, you have to be careful with doing that because you literally will flush out your minerals and everything. And I was like, oh. So definitely make sure if you pick up Liquid IV, use code Hotmess Momma of 4. It's going to save you, depending on the day, up to 25% off. You can't beat it. I love it. And like I said, our favorites are strawberry, watermelon, and Concord grape. We won't be without it. Okay, so this, well, this was actually sent to me. This is from Juvias Place. I actually got to work with them, and I created a super fun look. This is the Culture 2 palette by Juvias Place. It's, you guys, it's like $39 over at Ulta. I think, honestly, I think it's less expensive if you go to juviasplace.com and pick it up. I'll have everything linked below for you guys. This palette is really, really nice. Like, if you guys have never picked up a Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, I would probably start with this because, like, although it's very colorful, it's very bright, you can still get a nice, like, natural look as well, believe it or not. Okay, so this Cape Town is super pretty. You've got palm kernel over here. I mean, there's just this queen vibes. You can create very fun, colorful looks, but you can still do some calm looks with it as well. But I use this Jose. It's a multi-chrome. Oh my god, it was gorgeous. I love this. So thank you to Juvias Place once again for working with your girl and sending this over my way. If you guys haven't tried out their liquid blushers, you totally should. Okay, so next, I haven't even opened this. Okay, I bought this for myself as a birthday gift, but life's been crazy and busy and everything. You all know my launch with OFRA Cosmetics came out, and I've just been on overdrive. So yeah, if you pick this up, again, thank you guys so much. But I did pick this out. This was the Yucca palette. Y'all, I haven't even opened it. Oh my god, the casing is beautiful. So I did purchase this myself. I would love to be on Natasha Denona's PR list. Oh, that's pretty. The colors are really pretty, but literally feel like I could create a look with this palette. Do you guys want to see that? I bet you I could create a look very similar. I may be returning this. Although it's a pretty palette, I love Natasha Denona's formula, I'm not even gonna lie. But after looking at the Juvias Place palette, I darn near feel like I could probably create a look doing that. So yeah, that's okay. Sephora's great. They give you like however many days to return it. So anyways, I also picked this up. If you don't know, I love Scooby-Doo, which why would you know? But I pretty much obsessed with Scooby-Doo. Like growing up, I was all about the Scooby-Doo life. I loved Daphne. Oh my gosh. So anyways, if you didn't know, Glam Light did a collab with Scooby-Doo. And you guys, I'm just a sucker for like nostalgic things, or however you say it. I mean, it's so funny because even my 17-year-old is obsessed with Scooby-Doo. So my kid's like, Mom, have you opened it? Have you used it yet? Do you love it? And I'm like, no, not yet. I've been too busy. But once again, I feel like I could have gotten the same look with the Culture Tube palette. Oh, it's fine though. I mean, it's so pretty. I will definitely be creating some kind of look with this palette. It's so cute. And like I said, I didn't buy it for the colors. I honestly bought it because it's Scooby-Doo. Just let me live my life. So I need to put this back in here because there's no shade names. It's just all numbers. So I picked up the palette. I wanted the whole collection, but I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't afford to do that. So I ended up getting the Daphne lip kit because she was like my favorite, other than like Scooby-Doo. I've never even looked at it. Isn't that so fun? So there's going to be a video try on coming soon. I'm going to finally, you know, kind of get back into the routine of stuff. I just was like very like, as you guys know, busy. So, and then last I did pick up the Scooby-Doo mirror. How cute is that? Like, wow. It's so flipping cute. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited about this. So anyways, that is all for today's video. I am going to hop off. I've got a bunch of stuff that I'm going to do like a PR haul, like dedicated PR haul. OFRA Cosmetics sent over a box of stuff as well, and I'm so excited to show you guys all of that. So thank you to Juvias Place, Slayglam box, Gerard Cosmetics for sending over, Liquid IV for sending over these goodies. I will have everything linked and listed down below for you guys. If you guys made it to the end of today's video, thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. And thank you to my YouTube members for absolutely everything. Thank you once again to my thanks crew for clicking that thanks button. I'm so sorry if I've missed anybody. I try and always keep everything up to date. And of course, check me out on my other channels. Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls, Hotmess in the Kitchen. Anyways, if you know, you know. And then of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye friends. And I know somebody's gonna ask, my tan is fake. It is still the Bondi Sands Technicolor. Freaking amazing. Take the quiz. I am an emerald. I love this stuff. It is wonderful. Like when I actually go out and tan, this is my tan. So the quiz, nailed it. Definitely make sure to take the Bondi Sands quiz. And I think they're sold at Ulta too. And they're having a July 4th sale, FYI. I'm not sponsored. I don't have a coupon with them. So anyways, and then stay tuned for my ring, necklace, earrings, all of that in my next Temu haul. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! My voice gave out. Bye guys.